Today we are going to make a dish with a list of ingredients that we do not know yet.
And then at the end of this challenge, our peers are going to try and guess what we have created whilst they are blindfolded. My name's Zaine, I'm from Australia and I am at Le Cordon Bleu studying a Diploma of Plant-Based Culinary Art.
My name is Jeannie. I was a cuisine student in Cordon Bleu and right now I'm doing plant-based. Excited to learn about all the vegetables and the various uses.
Wow, we have some really beautiful ingredients here.
We can use these mushrooms.
We can fry them, roast them, they look quite beautiful. We have the chanterelle mushrooms here as well.
And we have some nice carrots as well. I think we can use these.
Wow, this smells really fresh, it's very nice. So the dish we have chosen to make is inspired by a wild mushroom forest.
We will use a round plate. We will make a parsnip puree in the middle with plant-based milk.
And then we're going to make a delicious and healthy lentil and mushroom stuffing.
What do you want to do with the carrots?
The carrots we can saute or we can roast them. Okay, so you want to start with the
Parsnip puree.
Parsnip puree?
Yeah.
And I'll start with the mushroom filling. You don't really want to wet mushrooms when you are cleaning them, so you can just use a brush and get off the excess dirt, but these mushrooms are clean anyway.
Traditionally, when we make puree in cuisine, we have to use butter and milk. But in plant-based, we actually make our puree with soya milk or almond milk, and it's very tasty.
And it's very healthy, it's very good for you as well, because it has no cholesterol, unlike butter or cream. Really creamy, very nice. Maybe a little bit more salt. There's a little bit of sweetness that's come through from the soy milk, but I think it's quite nice. Now the lentils are finished cooking, so I will add with the mushrooms watermelon radish. It's also known as red meat, and it can be eaten raw, but we're going to pickle it today and bring out the nice pink colour. To plate our dish, we're going to take advantage of some of the herbs we picked from the garden upstairs. This is our dish, Wild Mushroom Forest.
We're very excited to try out the dishes that our colleagues made for us.
I hope we're able to guess everything.
You see no spin around?
I can't see anything.
So we'll try to give them a bit of everything. Close your mouth.
Tomatoes?
Wrong.
Wrong? There's some mushroom there, yeah.
Do you know what type of mushroom?
Something squishy. Shiitake?
Yep.
There's too many flavors.
How is it called? A pickle?
There is a pickle. Do you know what we've pickled?
It's a radish, no?
Yes, it's a type of radish.
It's
Watermelon
a
radish.
radish. It's a carrot puree.
Close, not carrot, but it is a puree.
It's a parsnip.
Yes.
Oh, nice!
It was very well balanced, super delicious.
Yay, well done. Good job guessing everything. Thank you for tasting our dishes and the feedback.
Good job with your plate. It's
Good
really
job,
beautiful.
thank
It was very tasty.
It was really good.
I enjoyed
Thank
it.
you.